Yes, it is. Um, yeah. Cancel. Let's remove this. Remove. I'll just leave it removed. Just add it. Let's add it in. Video capture. Okay, and we'll make it our webcam. It is. Why isn't it not showing? It's supposed to be over everything else. Properties. It's not showing up. Oh, hold on. Custom and then resolution. Yeah. What's going on? Okay, this is not working, guys. Let's see. If I go back to this view, will the camera still be there? Yes, it is. When I went back to this one, the webcam does not want to show up. Don't know why it won't show up. But anyway. We have 709. Buffering. Enable, nope. Auto detect. Color range. Let's just leave it at, let's put it at full. Yeah, I don't know why it's not propping up the camera here. Anyway, we don't need that camera right now. I did some work here yesterday because did not stream because I had people coming over to work on the house, or having the house painted because I have so much stuff to do that I don't have time to paint the house. So what I did do was I was having some pretty bad gouges here. I have some lines that are getting more and more prominent on the boards, and that is no bueno.